Collaborating across workspaces has never been this easy. CC ReviewFlow streamlines creative teamwork. You can now collaborate on the same project securely and efficiently. Project manager or admin is the person who sets up the workspace, collaborates on the project. From the dashboard, go to My Projects, open the project, and select the one you want to share with a collaborator. In the project details, navigate to Collaboration, enter the partner's email, assign the role, and click Invite. That's it, your invitation has been sent. Once the collaborator accepts, they'll gain access to the project with the permissions defined by the role you selected. Make sure your collaborator is already registered on CC ReviewFlow. Once they accept the invitation, they'll have access to the project with the role you assigned, whether as a manager or producer. In shared projects, you'll find all projects shared with your workspace or by other workspaces. Here, you can easily edit or remove collaborators once the project is finished. With CC ReviewFlow, creative collaboration is faster, clearer, and more secure than ever.
Start your first shared project today on CC ReviewFlow.